Hello and welcome to these new videos. Over the next day, I'm going to make some videos about basic modeling for you to practice. You can follow these videos, but before you start, make sure you know the basics of Blender, like moving, selecting the menus, and see everything that is inside all this tool area. If you have any doubts, visit the Blender YouTube channel and they have a lot of videos to start over there. For the videos, I'm gonna make these ones straight to the point, just for the modeling, all the way to the point. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do, it will be a Coke or Coca-Cola cap. This is a simple model, but it's a good practice for you. Let's start by pressing Shift A, Mesh, Cylinder. Go to the cylinder settings, vertices to 66, the depth to 0.15. Period on your number pad. Tap to go to Edit Mode, 3 for face selection, and select the ones that I'm showing you right now. Press F3 and type Extrude and Move on individual normals. And extrude a little bit around 0.080. Press S and Z and reduce the horizontal distance like this. Go to Pivot Point, Individual Origins, press S, Shift Z and reduce the vertical distance, like so. Go back to Pivot Point, Median Point. Select this face and delete. Select this top face, press E to extrude around 0.1. Press I and in face all the way around the center. Like that. Press 2 to go to Edge Mode. Hold down Alt and click to select this area. Now press Ctrl B and create a bevel. Go to the bevel settings, change the offset around 0.04 and the segments to 3. Now we need to select the following faces. Like this. And also select these ones right here. Alright. Now press Ctrl I, hit X and faces to delete everything but this small part. Select these 3 faces. Right click, subdivide. Press 1 to go to vertex mode. Select these 2 vertices, right click, subdivide. Select these 2 vertices, right click again, subdivide. Now press K to create a cut between these 2 vertices. K again and do it right here. Enter. Okay. Press 2 to go to Edge. Select these 2 edges. Press G and X and move it around 0.020 or 22. Press 1 and select all the vertices in the bottom side. Now hit G, X and move it a little bit on X axis. Go to the Object Properties, Viewport Display, Wireframe and turn it on. Tap to go to Object Mode. Go to Modifier Array. Turn on Object Offset, Relative Offset off, and constant offset on. Change the count to 11. Go to the viewport, Shift A, empty, cube. Select the object again and add this empty right here in Object Offset. Select the empty and press R and Z. Hold down Shift and rotate everything until you get something around this. Select the object again and increase the count until you close the circle. Select the cube. Press R, Z and rotate a little bit until you close this area. You could leave an edge like this one. Select the object, go to the modifier, Apply. Tap to go to Edit mode. Press A to select everything. Now press Alt M by distance. Now we need to close these areas and also merge these lines right here. To do this, we just need to change the merge distance by holding Shift and move all the way to the right. Like that. Now go to this area, hold down Alt and click. Press F to close the area. If you can't do this, you need to go to Edit, Properties, Add-ons, and find the F2 add-on and turn it on. Press I to in-phase all the way to the center. Now press Alt-M, add center. We are almost done. Tap to go to Object mode. Go to Object Properties, Wireframe, turn it off. Right click on it, Shade Smooth. And now if you press Ctrl 2, you will be adding a subdivision modifier, like that. Go back to Edit mode by pressing Tab. Press A to select everything. Make sure you are in median point. Now press F3 and type Extrude and move on individual normals. And extrude a little bit like that. Let's add some edges by pressing Ctrl R right here in this area. 3 edges. Alright. And that's basically it. We now have a cap. I hope you liked this first video. Make sure to subscribe and wait for the next video because we'll be doing